Hey, I'm Memo, manager here at Apollo Screen and Shade. If you've been thinking about a retractable screen door, I want you to know exactly who you're dealing with. We're local, we're factory direct, and we've earned a 5-star rating from hundreds of homeowners who've seen the quality up close. That kind of reputation takes work, and we're proud of it. Every screen starts with us. We come out and measure your door. We build it to fit your exact opening, and our own team handles the install from start to finish. No middlemen, no third parties, no subcontractors showing up at your door, just us all the way through. And because we build everything ourselves, our warranty actually means something. You're covered by the same people who made it. Now here's the thing about retractable screen doors that most people don't fully appreciate until they see it. When you don't need it, it's gone. Completely invisible. No screen door sitting on the front of your house all day, no hardware that sticks out or clashes with your home, just your door looking exactly the way it should. And when you do need it, fresh air, no bugs, instant airflow, you pull it across and it's there. Smooth, quiet, controlled. It doesn't slam, it doesn't jump off track, it just works. The handle feels different too. Solid, ergonomic, built to last. It's a small detail, but you notice it immediately. And that's exactly what 20 years of experience looks like. Swing by our showroom, pull the handle, watch it retract, and you'll get it right away. Don't wait. Come see us and let's get you taken care of. Apollo Screen and Shade, quality that disappears.